Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This episode we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. I'm going to make some Filet Mignon steak street tacos and an orange Moscow Mule. So we'll get right at it. Roll the intro to Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Alright, here we go. So I'm going to start out by making an orange Moscow Mule. You need a copper mug with a little ice. And I have some ginger beer. A little bit of lime. And then to make it orange, I have some orange brandy. A little bit of Cointreau. And this is my secret orange ingredient. I have some Sunny D. I don't want any of that fresh orange flavor. I want a nice sort of tang flavor like the astronauts have in their Moscow mules. Give it a little bit more ginger beer. And I have a nice orange wheel as a garnish. And then for Appies with Chappie by the lake, I got a nice piece of Filet Mignon with a couple small tortillas on the grill. See here. So I got the little tiny tortillas, put the filet mignon nice and rare, and then I just have some pickled onions and tomatoes. And that's my filet mignon steak street tacos to go with my orange Moscow Mule. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. If you like what you saw, give me a like. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And this is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.